Okay, so hi guys. So today's topic is going to be regarding your KMAT exam preparation, which is going to happen in the month of November. There were a lot of comments regarding, sir, can you just make me a video regarding KMAT? So we are just coming up today, and this will be helpful to you. Okay. So let's just begin it. So firstly, what is this KMAT? This KMAT is basically for your entrance exams happening in Karnataka for MBA, MCA, and PGDA. Fine. Now, the syllabus for this is pretty much common to the PGCET exam which happens in Karnataka. Now, in KMAT, you will be having logical, VARC, and the mathematics section or your quant section. Only 3 sections, 40 marks each. The total is for 120 marks for 120 minutes. And the beauty of it is there is no negative marking. Fine. So now, who can apply for this examination? Anyone in Karnataka or any student outside Karnataka are also eligible to apply for this examination. Now, the next question is how many seats are available for this? Around 15,000 seats are available all over Karnataka. You can apply. So the next common question which I get is, sir, is the exam difficult or easy? It is not difficult, but it would be in the moderate level. Okay, not very difficult, not very easy, in the moderate level. This is what I can term it as. Now let us just look into certain aspects of this KMAT examination through the slides. Now, firstly, it is happening on November 5th, 2023 this year. Still, it is a probable date. I am not sure on the final examination date. The examination timings is from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. for MBA and from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. for MC. The mode of exam is going to be online exam for 2 hours, 120 minutes. Who is eligible for this exam? Any graduate above who has scored above 50% is eligible for this examination, and there is no upper age limit. Is there negative marking? Absolutely no negative marking. Each question carries 1 mark, and you can start answering the questions. And what are the sections in KMAT MBA? It is going to be your VARC, then your reasoning and general awareness, and then your qualitative analysis. Each section is for 40 marks for 40 questions. And for MCA, the pattern change as follows. VARC, reasoning, and your quants. In your MCA, what will be the difference is you will be having higher level mathematics, trigonometry, geometry, and all these things, which you need to focus a bit more compared to other sections. Here, the mathematical difficulty will be a bit higher compared to the MBA part. Okay? And in MBA, the logical part will be a bit easier compared to. Right? So these are the different sections available here. And the results for your KMAT will be out by 2023 December. And the counseling and the colleges will start by Jan, most probably. Now, these are some of the details about your KMAT examination. Now, coming to how do I start preparing for this? The preparation is going to be pretty much simple. Under logical section, you will be having the topics such as coding, decoding, blood relations, syllogisms, and then your statement and conclusions, order and ranking, then your directions, blood relations, and some more topics. Now, all these topics are pretty much easy and basic level, and many of these videos are available in our channel itself. If you haven't seen it, I'll just pin those links in the description. You can just check it out and you can start your preparation. Under your quants, you'll be having your number system, your number series, then your percentages, averages, then your problem on ages, and then you'll be having ratio proportions, then again permutation, probability, and still many more. So now the quant section may be a bit vast comparatively, But I would prefer that you start preparing once very detailed. Okay, that is one. An English section, since you people all are mostly from a metropolitan city, your English should be a bit on the upper hand. But there are certain things which you need to focus, which is based on your idioms, synonyms, antonyms, and all these things you need to take care of. And it won't be so difficult. It is a very easy paper compared to any other MBA exams. Okay. So now these are some preparation tips. And how many hours in a day should I be preparing? If you are preparing for the first time, I would ask you to prepare at least 4 to 5 hours every day from now on until your November 4th, if the exam is on November 5th. Right? 4 hours, and also try to attempt more number of mocks and some sectional papers. If you are not finding any mocks or sectional papers, you can just log in into our application and you can just take it up. I'll pin the link of the app in the description and check it out. And in case if you want more details on this paper and all these things, I'll also pin the Telegram group. You can join there and you can find some question papers over there. You can download it and start solving it. Apart from this, if you are looking for some full-time training for KMAT or PGCT for the upcoming year, you can surely reach out to us. We'll be more than happy to help you out. So we will be starting the batches from November 3rd. In case if you are interested, keep us posted. I will give the link of the interest form in the description. You can fill it up and our team will be reaching out to you and we'll help you. Okay. So hope this information was valuable to you. In case if you want any other additional information on any other educational content, you can just keep us posted. We'll be more than happy to help you. So stay calm, keep studying. We'll meet you soon in another video. Thank you. Bye.